Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xc00007b. Click on OK to close the application. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and now check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy and paste it in the Google search and press enter. Select the first link. Scroll down. Select the Google Drive option over here. Select the download option. Select download anyway option and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to click on it. Select yes. On this left side, you just need to uncheck Adobe and now you just need to select the install option. After getting done, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can open the program without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.